competition has changed, but it's still the European Cup. Sir Alex Ferguson said this week that winning the trophy elevates your status. This is the competition in which Puskas and Cruyff and Beckenbauer and Zidane.
Also, quite how in 1999 they will never know. Prior to that, 1968, the first English triumph. Chelsea, twice winners of the old Cup Winners' Cup. But this, a brand new experience in Europe's senior club competition. Manchester United champions in every sense. There are plenty who can open this game in a flash, like Cristiano Ronaldo. Too high for Hargreaves, who dealt with it in the near post area.
Well, all Chelsea fans and players have surrounded. Well, it looks, I mean, unless something's going on here, but it looks as they both go for that. Well, led with the arm false goals. But, I mean, it's not anything other than that.
No, he did look at the man too.
Is he looking Makelele?
Makelele is... Lampard. Oh, and that's
well, surely
that Van der Sar was coming for.
He's got to be calling for it.
And any blow to his face, they'll be thinking back on that. And here's Brown for Ronaldo! In the 26th minute, his 42nd goal of the season. It's come against Chelsea. It's come in the Champions League final. Drogba, who gets to it. Ballack was coming in. Great ball into Tevez. Oh, what a goal it would have been. It might yet be for Carrick, but checks there again.
That would have been the Champions League finals, one of the all-time great goals. What a break!
Rooney fired across for Tevez, who was taken by surprise and it got beyond Makelele.
Well, I use the word gamble all the time, you know that.
Changed out, here's Essien. Oh, and it might run here, and it has for an equaliser, which is punched typically by Frank Lampard. Right on half-time, Chelsea are level against the balance of the match.
That is what this game is all about. That is what the...
At 1-0, and at half-time here. The cup final specialist, so near to a Champions League final goal. Lost his footing, he's trying to get back in towards Drogba from Malouda. Tevez, who's got so many valuable goals, so many late goals too in his first season. The whistle, the goals came in the first half from Cristiano Ronaldo and Frank Lampard. 1-1, we'll be back for extra time. Ballack, Lampard turns, hits the bar, Joe Cole. Chelseans there again on the gallop. Evra, it's a storming run here.
Oh, John Terry off the line. John Terry, what? What a piece of defending.
Ryan Giggs can't believe it.
I don't think he's quite hit it the way he intended, Ryan Giggs. Otherwise, I don't think John Terry could have done it. Because they didn't get it back a couple of times. I don't understand Chelsea's argument here. I really don't. Twice they've done it in the game to Manchester United.
And it's red for Drogba.
Well, Chelsea have brought, let me tell you something, Mark, Chelsea have brought this upon themselves.
For raising an arm, I guess. Tevez had a part in it. His is yellow. Didier Drogba becomes only the second player to be sent off in the final of this competition. It goes to penalties. And he sends Petr Cech the wrong way.
Gage. Good luck, boys.
Chelsea's first penalty. Van der Sar thought it... And scores again here. 2-1 Manchester United. Giuliano Belletti. And everyone's spot on with 4 taken. Shimmy. And Cech has saved from Ronaldo of all people.
I told you.
In those circumstances, before Ansits and scored, and he drills this one in. Hargreaves gets it up and over Cech.
They are 2 kicks away
Against Van der Sar. Oh, it got in but just is enough for Chelsea. Next, Nani keeps Manchester United in it. Has the chance to win the Champions League for Chelsea. And it's a chance that has passed him by, and the agony is there again. Regulation goal for Manchester United, but he rams Manchester United. Kalou holds his nerve and holds Chelsea's accurate here in Moscow tonight. He is. He didn't look happy coming forward, Anelka, and he's not happy now because it's red in Russia. This English night in Europe is Manchester United's night. Best in the Premier League, their best in the Champions League. Thanks to Edwin van der Sar's save. Ronaldo's had a reprieve. And Manchester United's joy is unconfined. They've left Chelsea in second place yet again. They've been driven on by memories of Munich 50 years ago, a celebration of the 40th anniversary of England's first European Cup win. It all seemed there for John Terry, with a swing of his right foot to make the emotions so extreme tonight go the other way. But just as at the start of the season, Edwin van der Sar has made the save to break Chelsea hearts. It's finally over. It's red, not far from Red Square. It's Manchester United, winners of the Champions League. Dramatically, but deservedly.